Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at all this blade. Wow, it's so tough. Man, look at this blade, it's so tough. Oh my god, my motor is so damaged. I already pro of it. Where's the other blade? But the motor still reverse spinning. Wait, stop making chumly. Oh, there it is. What the? You what? What is this abomination? What the fuck? Whoa, what the? These blades are tough. See? My character also break. Look at the starter, it's already been like this, so I just leave it on top. It's so dangerous. Oh, there we go. I spin backward now. There you go.